What is going on, everyone? Marc Guberti here. In this video, I'm going to talk about 3 different ways you could use your writing to make passive income. And if you are a writer who wants to learn how to diversify your income streams as a writer and make that your career, make sure you subscribe to the channel because we do talk about different writing strategies and growing your brand all the time on this channel. So when it comes to creating passive income from your writing, it's you write it out once. You have to continue to attract traffic to that content. Now, that could either be you or an algorithm. We'll talk about both of those scenarios in this video, and you end up getting paid because of actions people perform when they are viewing your content. So the first way to make passive income through your writing is to write on a site like Medium. Now, the great thing about Medium is they reward great content that fits their curation guidelines, and you could get a lot of people to see your content even if you don't have a platform already. So I almost never promote my Medium articles to my audience, and yet I'm getting at least 20,000 views on Medium per month at the moment with a lot of upside potential. And it has turned into hundreds of dollars per month very quickly because all you have to do is just create articles that cater to Medium's curation guidelines. You do an article every single day, learn the process, and then eventually you have a few articles that truly take off. So I love that Medium. Again, you don't need to have your own platform, and it helps you build your platform. So I have a new YouTube channel, which will be linked in the description, called Beat the Market, which helps people with like stock investing advice. And I got over 60 subscribers in a few days to that channel just from a Medium article. So there's a lot you could do on Medium to grow your platform. I like to focus on my YouTube channels because I want the YouTube channels to then gain more traction in the YouTube algorithm, and then the YouTube algorithm pushes me out even more. But a lot of people also use Medium to grow their email lists. And you put this call to action at the end of the article because then you still have a chance of getting curated by Medium. And people who do make it to the end are more likely to perform those actions, such as subscribing to your channel or joining your email list. And if you do write daily articles on Medium, you're just going to have pieces of content floating all over the place where, let's say you have hundreds of articles published. It's easier to get 100 daily views if you already have 100 articles published versus if you only have one article published, hoping that does the bulk of the work. The second way to make passive income through your writing is to write books. And books are really great because it's a whole journey people get to embark on with you. And by the time someone finishes that book, they may be more likely to become a client or buy your course or whatever you have in your book. Some people, they like to use another passive income strategy within their books, which we'll talk about later. But with books, you write the content, you publish on Amazon through KDP. You could also publish through other platforms as well. I just like to use KDP and just stick with Amazon because they are the top player when it comes to ebook and print book sales. And I get a little commission each time one of my books makes a sale. Now, it's not like you put your book on Amazon and, Amazon just goes to work and promotes the thing. No, you have to do an initial launch. You have to promote. You have to get the initial reviews because reviews, it just takes a really long time for them to come organically. And you can eventually get them organically as your book gets more sales. But at the beginning, ask some people if they'd be interested in reading through your book and in exchange leaving a review. Now, you can't push someone. You're not able to do that. You can't push them to leave a review. You can't bribe them to leave a review because that gets Amazon terms of service. But if you present people with the opportunity and you request it, but you don't obligate them, that is an okay review. So there is stuff you have to do to set up your book as a passive income stream, and you can also use Amazon ads to speed up the process a little bit. And there are a lot of authors who do use Amazon ads to just amplify their earnings. You can do it with the 7 keywords and use the description to just optimize that whole process. But authors who use Amazon ads, they just generally it increases your potential for getting more sales. You just have to check on the ads every once in a while to make sure they're profitable. Not everyone runs Amazon ads, but they do help if you are running them. The third way to make passive income through your writing is affiliate marketing. So you could do this in your books. You could do this in your Medium articles, although I'm very light with the affiliate links in the Medium articles right now. I haven't really tested this because I just want to make sure that I could provide an affiliate link and still get selected for curation. So I haven't really figured that out yet. But in any event, you write the article or you write the book and you mention a resource. And this is a resource that you are happy to recommend regardless of whether you are getting paid. But with an affiliate link, you now get to get paid. So Amazon has an affiliate program where you make 4% commissions on all the stuff that they have. There are some exceptions where it's a little higher or a little lower. 4% isn't super attractive. It is good because Amazon, it has everything, so it doesn't really leave most affiliates out. But you could find more attractive opportunities. ConvertKit and Teachable, for instance, they do 30% monthly recurring commissions for each person you refer. If the person who joins through your link does an annual plan, then you get a 30% annual recurring for the lifetime of that person's membership. So a lot of people, they will do reviews of these softwares or reviews of a certain product, get paid for each sale they make. And some people do make full-time incomes through affiliate marketing, through just writing content, putting it on their blog, putting it on their Medium, incorporating affiliate links in their books. While the print book, obviously no one can really click on those links, you can have the hyperlinks inside of the ebook. That is something that not as many writers are taking advantage of that can really help you earn some extra money from your book. If you are only thinking of your book as a royalty, you are leaving a lot of money on the table. So Medium or sites like those, books, and affiliate marketing, writing about the products you recommend. Those are the 3 different ways to make passive income through your writing. If you enjoyed this video, smash the like button, subscribe for more, and I will see you guys next time.